This bird can recognize itself in a mirror, something even dogs can't do. Meet the magpie, one of the smartest animals on Earth, not just among birds. Magpies passed the famous mirror self-recognition test, a sign of true self-awareness. That puts them in the same category as dolphins, elephants, and great apes. They understand cause and effect, remember faces, and can hold grudges for years. Some magpies even bring gifts to humans they trust. This isn't instinct, this is intelligence. That stare? It's not random. The magpie knows it's watching you. Follow for more birds that will change how you see animals.